Friends, hello everyone. We are glad to welcome you on our channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and also show you how you can change the font in Facebook application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and write comments after watching this video. So friends, let's say if you're in the Facebook app and you want to put up some post. You got the text, like you see it in my post. And let's say you want to change the font of that text, something more interesting to draw more attention to the text. So what can you do? Unfortunately, you can't change the font right here on Facebook the way you want. To do this, I recommend that you highlight the text you like. To do that, you'll need to click on it and drag it out. It's like this. When you highlight the text, click Copy. And now go to whatever web browser you're comfortable with. In it, you will see the words Font Changer. Then go to any of the sites that you will be given. I'm going to go to the very first one. And here you will need to enter the text that you have chosen in advance. Insert the text, and now as you can see at the bottom is the text already in the Modify Fonts. You choose the font that you like. There are a lot of them here, interesting as in the form, and unusual. And so, once you've chosen a font that you like, click on it as well. And highlight it. And copy it. Now go back to the Facebook post and you can delete the text that you highlighted. Now paste the one that you changed the font. And as you can see, there is now text with the font changed. This is how you can change the font on Facebook, friends, to the one you like. Friends, I really hope that this video helped you, that it was useful to you. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, and also write comments at the end of the video. See you soon. Thank you for your attention.